Welcome to Kentucky, where we have a frost warning. Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we are unboxing our May Ipsy. Ipsy was kind enough to send this over to me in PR, which means I did not make any pics. I did not do any customization. By the time you actually see this video, you are going to be able to jump into your account and make any choices, picks, and everything. This in particular box is the monthly IPSY Extra box, and this is where you're going to get 5 full-size products. If you hear birds chirping, that would be because I have kitty cats and they like to watch TV. Alright, let's go ahead and jump in. We do have foam. Okay, I got a little scarred. So I thought something had spilled out over here, but turns out the dunnage just has a little extra little razzle dazzle on here, so that's nice. Okay, so yes, this is in fact the IPSY Extra, and the very first thing that I see here is the Laura Geller The Wearables Kinking of You 12 Multi-Finish Eyeshadows. I feel like we haven't had an eyeshadow palette in a minute, to be honest with you, which I've been low-key kind of okay with, but this one does look like the typical, you know me, nice and basic, so I love that. Okay, so her packaging has changed. It's not the standard type of cardboard packaging. So here's the back of it. I don't know how I feel about that. I mean, I guess it's a good travel case. It's plasticky. Kind of gives me Morphe vibes. Doesn't Morphe have, or even some of the ColourPop have plastic? Oh, you know what? This reminds me of MAC. Old school MAC. It's very, not everybody's going to like that at all. Matter of fact, there's no darkening in here. How are you going to deepen the outer V? The colors are pretty. I think this is going to be a beautiful palette for a specific group of people that like a dusting and a hint, maybe not even a tint of color. And don't get me wrong, I like Laura Geller's products. I use her Radiant powder stuff, but I don't want to swatch this only because I know I'll be gifting it. This is one of those things that I don't like it, but like, again, this is something you are going to get to customize in your Ipsy. So just because I don't like it, don't mean you don't like it, okay? I'm not hating on it. I'm sure the quality of it's great. We do have our little pamphlet in here. I'm still going to whine about it. Listen, I'm an OG BoxyCharmer and an OG Ipsyer, and I still love cards. Alright, so we've got our little pamphlet. Oh, what is this? Oh, we've got the Rare Beauty Fine Comfort Gentle Exfoliating Body Wash. Love that. This scent, to me, if this is like the one for her body hair mist, it's almost kind of unisexy and clean, and I really like it. Yes. I like it a lot. So it's a very nice, clean scent, perfect for the summertime. Like, I like that I got this in more leaning towards a summertime box. And I didn't even know that she had a body wash. So, next in here, we have our skincare Daily Resurfacing Lotion by First Aid Beauty. Alright, I do like that First Aid Beauty has not only like changed up their packaging, but they've got like a whole new like revamp with all of their components and everything. So I do like that. Nice and travel friendly and everything. Built in like doop doop doop. So, you know, it's not going to work unless you make those noises, just so you know. What do we have here? Oh! Alright, the brushes. We've got the Mishino brushes. You guys know how I am, especially if you've been around since I started social media in, what, 2015? I didn't start YouTube in 2015, but social media in 2015. And Haley and I, we get so excited over our brushes. I mean, these do feel like a nice brush. And our Ipsys, remember back in the day, the Sephora boxes, all of that stuff, we loved that. We just got so much of that. Heck, I was even a subscriber of Morphe brushes. Do you remember when that was a whole thing? So the amount of makeup brushes that I have, so anytime I see them in the subscription, I'm like, ugh. But I also have to keep in mind, like, not everybody's been doing subscription boxes since 2015. You know, you got to start somewhere, and I do feel like starting out, this is a great way to build your makeup brush collection. All right, the last thing in here is by Lith or something, Hydro Gloss. It's a nourishing treatment. This is the brand. I think we've seen this brand before. I'm not going to sit here and be like, oh yeah, because I don't remember. Okay, I'm almost 50. The brain isn't braining like it used to be. Plus, I'm in college, so being in school at almost 50 years old, I tell you what, it isn't like when you were in your 20s. Oh my god, I thought I was pulling out a Summer Fridays for a second here. Ooh, okay, here's a little. I like the color. I like the little component thingy. Oh yeah, it's a really pretty like mauve shade. I can get down with that. Put it right over top the already mauve that I've got. Is this a balm or an Hydra Gloss? It is a gloss. Nourishing lip treatment. Okay, nice. Not complaining. Does it have a scent? Ooh, it does. It's like a nice little vanilla scent. I'm also drinking a vanilla protein shake, so I wasn't for sure what I was smelling. My thought on this one, funny enough, I do low-key like all the neutral colors. I'm sure they did not plan that to be so like neutral. This will be, well, you're lying. I'll be gifting this, but to me, if I like 3 out of the 5 products, considering I did not build this box, then to me, I think that's a pretty decent box. I do really like the Rare Beauty products. I do have the hand lotion or the lotion and the scent. I do have the hair and body mist. Like I said, I had no clue they had an exfoliating body wash, so I'm thinking I'm not going to complain. I'm very grateful, 1, that they sent this, but 2, if I was paying for this, would I be happy with being able to pick those products? Yes, because I do like First Aid Beauty skincare. I do feel like a resurfacing lotion, I didn't realize how important a resurfacing lotion is to have into your routine. Something like this to me, I think is good to have. So anyways, that is my little video. I think I jumped right in. I didn't say too much. I just dilly-dallied right on into the unboxing. So let me know your thoughts. What did you pick out? It does look like the Rare Beauty. We got sneak peeks coming. Oh, for the Mega Drop Shop. You guys see that? I really like how First Aid Beauty changed their packaging. I just feel like it just upscaled it a little bit more. You know, before it was just basic, and now it's a little bit something extra. So anyways, I'm hopping off. Got study group here soon. My brain is braining hard. I'm also going to unbox, I believe it is the Ipsy Icon box, and I also received the Walmart box. I just had not been able to get around to unboxing that for you all, so while I'm sitting here, I'm going to go ahead and film that too, so you guys are going to get like back to back to back unboxings from me. I do want to give a shout out to my girl Martha. Her spring collection is still available, and she did launch, or well, she did bring back and is keeping the Love Spell scent candle. Code Hotmess will save you that 15% off. I love this one. This is one of her scents that we saw a lot for like Valentine's Day and everything, but now this is going to be like a signature scent. Do not sleep on it. This would make a great Mother's Day also, and all of her jars are reusable once you use up the candle. And the beauty of her candles is they're non-toxic. That's what I keep on my little warmer back here. And they're like safe for your pets and everything. So she always packages everything up beautifully in this nice little velvet satchel. And definitely check out her spring collection. Her summer collection will be coming out very soon. I'm hopping off so I can film the other Ipsy and the Walmart unboxings for you all. If you do want to go ahead and sign up for Ipsy and go ahead and make your choices and everything, I will have an affiliate link down in my description box. I'll try and remember to pin it for you guys too. So, listen, on top of school, my cat, Buddy, the second cat that I've rescued, he loves to wake me up multiple times in the middle of the night. So if I look tired, Girl, I am. My cat, he loves to sing to me. In the middle of the night, Buddy Boo Ween, bring me his toys and he's singing, and I'm like, my man, I'm gonna need you to sleep. Anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Bye.
With you, I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about